up, guys? It's your boy Reese's here, back dropping you another video. This is going to be a quick unboxing video. It's nothing really all that big of a deal, but something that I'm excited about. A little while ago, I did a comparison video on iBox spring and the Monomax spring. I still actually have, so really quickly, I still actually have the Monomax spring laying around here. It's gotten no use. Maybe I should sell it. But before I get into that, I just want to say thank you to everyone who joined the live stream last Friday. Thank you so much for being a part of it. I think so far is the best one we had. We had about anywhere from 9 to 12 people join in, and the questions you guys had were tremendous. They were great. Honestly, way better than questions I could have come up with. And we try to keep it under an hour, maybe an hour and a half, but it looks like you guys really wanted to keep going, so we just went on for about 2 hours. So it's amazing how natural it feels to be hanging out with like fellow car people over the internet. So really, thank you. The other thing is I'm doing this from my kids' playroom / spare bedroom / office, simply because it's about like 100 degrees outside, and I'm not gonna do one of those like sweating videos where I'm like patting. No, I'm good. So you won't get to see the orange rocket today, but whatever. You get to see some cool springs. So why did I change these springs around? Well, I changed the rears, right? So on my earlier video, I went to an iBox spring for the rear, much heavier than the one that comes from Godspeed. And the reason for that is the car wasn't rotating. I thought the handling was very mushy. So it was a nice improvement, but then the springs made the car feel like, yes, I actually put a racing suspension on here. Now, two things came out of that. The front now feels even softer, which I knew that, right? The front is also scraping. The wheel well is scraping the tire, so you see the clips for the fender liner kind of like washing away, almost like an eraser on paper. And also, just to balance out the car better, I think this will improve the handling just a bit more, make the steering a little bit more responsive, a little bit quicker. But anyway, so what did I go with this time? I tried to go with iBox. I went on their website, and I didn't find anything close to what size spring I needed for the front. So I know this company Swift Springs around, and I learned about it through an autocrosser, an old friend of mine, and I decided to check them out. Turns out you can't buy directly for them, but Chris from RedShift, he carries, or he's a vendor, reseller, whatever it is, whatever you call it, from them. And so I messaged him. He's very good over Facebook. Just I'll put a link to all the stuff on the description of this video, but so I messaged him, and he said, yeah, I can get you whatever springs you need. Just here's the link, order it, tell me what weight you need, and dude just made it happen. And so without delaying this anymore, I'm gonna go ahead and just switch over to the unboxing video. Enjoy it. Okay, so here we go. This is a box just like I got it. I did scratch off my address because I don't want you people to know where I live. Haters got hate. So it's very interesting, and from what I can tell, very, very simple box. So in the first slot is the Swift spring. The weight on this one, I believe, is around 670 pounds. For those of you who want to understand the kilogram or K method, it's about an 11.8 K spring, or 12 if you want to round up. I like the color of this. This is a sweet color. It's like I don't know my colors that well, but it's blue. It's not a very, so you see the blue on my shirt here, it's not the same as the shirt. It's I don't know, it's it's not light blue. I don't know. It's like metallic sky blue. That's what I would, define it as. And normally when you get these things in the mail, you expect a bunch of stickers, but no stickers here. Nothing. There's a Swift Spring sticker here, and that's about it. If you know whatever that language is, if you go with Mandarin, you might be able to read that. But there is literally, they're not gonna help you. So yeah, this is a very simple unboxing. I really look forward to getting this installed. It's really hot, so I'm gonna do one of those things that I do where I get up at like 5 o'clock in the morning when it's still somewhat cool now in the summer, and I will get it done. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like these videos and you want to see more, subscribe, hit the like button. What do I have going on next? I will have a DIY video on rear camber arms this Friday, around 5 p.m. Easter time. So like I said, you could hit the little subscribe button, but if you want to know exactly when the video comes out, just hit the doorbell button somewhere, I don't know, down here on YouTube here, and you'll get my videos as soon as I put them out. I do appreciate the support that I'm getting from a lot of you guys, so really thank you so much. Bye now.